This is a recap for Thursday, February 11th. What we did today was work on Kami week 19, and the first thing to notice is that the first page is the same as the second page. It's the answer key. So here are the steps when we're going to convert units. You write the original rate as a function, determine what unit needs to be changed, then write the appropriate conversion rate. So we're going to stop right there, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I want to change 48 miles per hour to miles per minute, then I have to multiply by the correct one. So the correct one is going to have, since I want to change hours to minutes, it's going to have hours as the numerator and minutes as the denominator, because I want to cancel out hours. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. And so I can cancel these out. And this really becomes 48 miles in 60 minutes. And what we want to do is simplify that to 1 minute. So we're going to divide by 60. Divide by 60, and that's equal to 0.8 miles in 1 minute. So let's go back up and see the rest of the steps. So we changed it into a fraction. We found the appropriate one. We canceled the units. And then we did not need to do this because we only changed hours to minutes. But we did do this. We simplified it to a unit rate. So we also did the next one, and we split it into two parts because we're changing kilometers and we're also changing hours to minutes. So 9 kilometers over 1 hour times, and I'm going to make a 1 here, and I'm going to put kilometers on the bottom. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Because these can cancel out, they have to be in the numerator and the denominator, and then this is 9 times 1,000, that's 9,000. And we are now in meters. So we didn't change the distance of kilometers, or we just talk about it now in terms of meters instead of in terms of kilometers, but it's the same distance. And this is still in 1 hour. So we want to know, well, how far would you go in just 1 minute? So we're going to do 9,000 meters. We'll write meters because we're changing to minutes and I don't want to get them mixed up, in 1 hour. So this is the biggest part, is to figure out which one you're going to multiply it by. So I'm going to put hour right here because I want that to cancel out, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So this is a 1. That cancels. So this is 9,000 divided by 60, and that's 150, I believe. Let's see, 9,000 divided by 60 is 150. So this is 150 meters per minute. Meters in 1 minute. So then we just looked at different ones, like 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 3 feet in 1 yard, and 1,000 meters in a kilometer, 2,000 pounds in a ton, 5,280 feet in a mile, and 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. And we also talked about if we were going to change miles per hour to feet per hour, changing miles to feet, we would look for a 1 where the miles cancel out. So that would be this one, not this one. If we changed minutes to hours, so I would need minutes to be on top. That would be this one, so I could cancel with minutes, not this one. And that's as far as we went in class. You can continue to work. We're going to continue to work on this next week. And then the other thing that we did was we took this quiz. So I just want to pull another tool out here, and I want to correct all of these. And we can kind of take a look on this particular class, how many people got it right, how many people missed it. So here's how we could do this. You spend $40 on 5 pounds of concrete. So $40, 5 pounds. The unit rate, we're going to divide by 5. And that's equal to $8 per pound. That would have been A. Problem number 2. If Justin can type 408, If Justin can type 408 words, and it's always important to put the units on in 4 minutes. We want per minute, so we're going to divide that by 4. Okay, if we divide that by 4, we're going to get 102 words in 1 minute. It's pretty fast. So that was A. So if Justin can type, and 64% of the people in this class got that, good. All right, let's keep going. This one, a little less than half people got it, so let's take a look at it. This was a pretty challenging one because you have to make this into a rate. 25 homework assignments in 20 minutes is one rate, and 36 homework assignments, this was minutes, in 30 minutes. So this one is 25 divided by 2. And that's 12.5 homework assignments per minute. And this one's 36 divided by 3, which is 36 divided by 30, which is I'm going to go back to 25 divided by 20. 25 divided by 20 is 1.25. I had the decimal. That makes sense now. Okay. So this is 1.25, 1 1/4 homework assignments per minute, and this is 1.2. And I could put a 0 there. Homework assignments per minute. And so this one was a faster. It says, is he working at a faster rate or a slower rate than the 36? So this is, part of this is in the questioning. That's what's difficult about this, is he working at a faster or slower rate than the 36? The 25 per 20 is a faster rate. So that's right there. Okay, problem number 4. For 150 grams of fertilizer is used in 6 acres. I'm just going to put an A for acres. Acres are square, so I'm not sure why they put square acres. And so we want to get to 13. So what I did for somebody in class was I divided this into a unit rate, which is 25 grams for 1 acre. and then multiplied that 25 grams for 1 acre times 13. Times 13, 13 times 25 is 325. So that's how 71% of this class got that one. Okay, let's look at this. Next one, 4 pounds of bananas cost $6. We always want to put the money on top when we want to find out per pound. So we're going to divide that by 4, divide that by 4, and we get, should be $1.50. So this is $1.50, excuse me, per pound. $1.50 for 1 pound. And that is the question. And so that's how they got that. The next problem said Alicia earned $20.40. $20.40 in 3 hours. What's her unit rate? We're going to divide that by 3 to get to 1 hour. That's what a unit rate means. It means 1. So 20.4 divided by 3 is $6.80 an hour. And that's how 64% of this class got that answer. Okay, problem number 7, what's a better deal? So to do this problem, you're going to want to put the money on the top, $2.98 for 15 ounces, or $2.50 for 14 ounces, and you divide by the denominator. So 298 divided by 15 is a little over, it's almost 20 cents. We're going to say that equals 19 and then 8/6 repeating. So almost 20 cents. Almost 20 cents, and then this one is going to be 250 divided by 14, and that's almost 18 cents. So that's how we got Chips Ahoy, because this was a better deal. And the last problem, just half of the people in this class got it, and I suspect what happened was people did not set these up. So I'm going to show you how to set these up so we can figure out. It also could have been that you were looking for the fastest, but this said the slowest. So we're going to change all these to pages per minute. So this is, I'll write up here, 3 pages for 9 minutes, and compare that to 4 pages in 10 minutes. Compare that to 5 pages in 13 minutes. And over here, I have some room. I'll do 7 pages in 20 minutes. So each of these, we're just going to do the numerator divided by the denominator. So let's see, we've got 3 divided by 9, that's going to be 1. So this is 0.33 repeating pages per minute. This is going to be 0.44 tenths of a page per minute. And let's see, 5 divided by 13 is 0.38. And it's just rounded, it keeps going, pages per minute. And it's in between, so it's not going to be one of the extremes, so I'm going to kind of ignore that one. It's not one of our answers, it's not a possibility for the answer. And then 7 divided by 20 is 0.35 pages per minute. So these two are in the middle. And we want slowest, so we want the least amount of pages per minute. So that's how half of the people got that answer right there, A. Okay, and that is a recap for Monday, February 11th.